Subaru Solterra EV. The Japanese automaker Subaru teamed up with Toyota to build this electric compact crossover. Subaru Solterra will feature the standard configuration of AWD layout that will go on sale in 2022 as a 2023 model. It will share some features with Toyota bZ4X, both visually and mechanically. But the company has not revealed this much info about performance, powertrain, or interior. The photos revealed that it features a large infotainment system, a freestanding digital gauge, and a high center console. Subaru is new, but Toyota has gained much experience with electrification, so we can expect a good performance figure and a robust drivetrain too. Solterra has a unique and phonetically pleasing name and is expected to contain some subtle styling motifs. The price of Subaru Solterra may start at $30,000. Mazda MX-30 Electric. Mazda MX-30 will be the first all-electric subcompact crossover due to hit the roads by the year 2022. It has a coupe-like roofline and rear-hinged back doors. The powertrain contains only one electric motor mounted on the front axle, generating an output of 144 horsepower. Mazda MX-30 has a 35.5 kWh lithium-ion battery that can produce a driving range of 100 miles over a single charge. The four trims of MX-30 include Touring, Grand Touring, Signature, and Sport. Mazda used recycled plastic bottles to build sustainable material for its interior. The cabin has a digitized screen on the dashboard to control climate, and the secondary display sprouts to check other infotainment features like the audio system, map navigation, and the backup camera. It is equipped with a floating center console, front standard seats, but rear cramped seats for kids only. The price of Mazda MX-30 may start at $30,000. Chevrolet Bolt EUV. Chevrolet Bolt is an all-electric hatchback with a freshly refinished cabin and excitingly updated exterior. It provides a composed ride with an estimated driving range of up to 260 miles on a single charge of its 66 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. The powertrain is similar to the previous model, having the ability to generate a power of 200 horsepower. It exhibits a front-wheel drive configuration, delivering a near-instant acceleration. It has a futuristic metal sheet exterior, and an upscaled, spacious cabin is finely finished with soft-touch materials. The heated and leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel is best suited with redesigned comfy front seats. The light steering and low center of gravity give it a pleasant, composed, and engaging ride. Chevy Bolt provides satisfying Super Cruise hands-free driving dynamics and also has a one-pedal driving mode. The hatchback will be available in two trim levels, 1LT and 2LT, with the prices of $31,995 and $35,195. Toyota bZ4X. Toyota is ready to make a comeback in the EV world with the Toyota bZ4X crossover. This non-luxurious SUV will hit the Toyota showrooms in 2022 and will join the non-luxury EV lineup of the world. It will be an all-new vehicle presented in three trims, among which a front-wheel mounted single-motor setup is standard, and the all-wheel drive configuration with dual-motor layout is also available. The RWD setup offers a 201 horsepower output, while the AWD layout boasts an output of 215 horsepower. A battery pack of 64 kWh capacity will likely deliver an estimated driving range of 230 miles in the RWD model, while this range drops to about 200 miles in the AWD variant. The spacious cabin has similar looks to the RAV4, featuring a large infotainment screen, a digital gauge display, and a wide center console. It also offers a yoke-type steering wheel similar to the Tesla Model S. The price may start at $37,000. Hyundai KONA Electric. Hyundai KONA Electric is an all-electric subcompact offering smooth highway rides and lively driving dynamics. The electric motor is offered with a front-wheel drive system, claiming to offer an output of 201 horsepower. A 64 kilowatt-hour battery pack over a single charge is capable of providing an estimated driving range of 258 miles. DC fast charging stations and 110-volt outlets can charge KONA electric, but a 240-volt outlet is the preferred option. The interior is quite comfortable and looks similar to its gas counterpart. 2022 redesigned KONA electric features new front and rear bumpers and fresh wheel designs. Although KONA is feature-rich, the convenience package adds some more desirable features like heated front seats, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and a sunroof. The starting price of KONA may sit at $39,000. Ford Mustang Mach-E. Ford Mustang Mach-E is the brand's first all-electric crossover with hunky styling and bodacious design. The vehicle's interior is quite roomy with unique storage solutions and a large cargo area. This stylish Mach-E is available in both rear and all-wheel drive configurations. 2 battery sizes are offered. The standard one is with 75.7 kilowatt-hour capacity and the extended one has 98.8 kilowatt-hour capacity. It is also optioned with a front axle-oriented electric motor or a dual motor, one on each axle. The 98.8 kilowatt-hour battery-powered dual motor can generate power of 480 horsepower, which can provide a driving range of 305 miles per charge. The 19-inch wheels have adaptive dampers to provide a super smooth ride. The cabin offers customizable ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a power liftgate. The infotainment system has a huge 15.5-inch vertically mounted infotainment screen and a digital gauge cluster display. The price may start at $43,995. Geely ZEEKR 001. Geely has already presented and delivered a new electric hatchback named ZEEKR 001, formerly known as Lynk & Co. This vehicle is referred to as Zero EV, being based on the Sustainable Experience Architecture (SEA) platform. It has a standard all-wheel drive configuration and is fitted with multiple electric motors which can deliver an estimated output of 536 horsepower. This all-electric model is a high-performance vehicle with a targeted driving range of almost 400 miles per single charge. The drivetrain is powerful enough to catapult the vehicle from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4 seconds. This long-range EV displays a dashboard similar to Ford Mustang Mach-E, a large 15.4-inch central touchscreen similar to Tesla models. The vehicle's clean and sleek exterior features a coupe-style roof, swept-back headlamps, familiar front fascia, and muscular rear haunches. The interior looks cool due to a racing-style steering wheel and its minimalist design with fewer buttons on the dashboard. The price of its base model starts at $44,000. Lexus LFZ Electrified. The Japanese automotive company LEXUS has hinted to sell its first ever electric vehicle by the year 2025. Lexus LFZ will use an eTNGA platform and a 90 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery pack which can provide a targeted driving range of 373 miles. The company has reshaped its hourglass-shaped grille with a normal spindle grille that extends well up in the hood. The full-width taillights and many lines and creases. The body sides of LFZ make use of creative surfacing to produce many visual planes. Lexus LFZ will use Direct 4, an electric all-wheel drive layout. The prettier exterior design showed the futuristic production-friendly evolution of the company. The traditional steering wheel in the high-tech interior will be replaced by a yoke integrated into a drive-by-wire steering system, which allows for changes in the on-the-fly steering ratio. We expect it to start at about $45,000. Hyundai IONIQ 5. IONIQ moniker has promised to launch a few new EVs in the coming years. IONIQ 5 is the first all-electric crossover with a versatile design, modernized technology, impressive charging speed, and up-to-date features. It rides on the new eGMP Electric Global Modular Platform. The vehicle will be available in both configurations, rear and all-wheel drive, with an estimated output of 215 and 315 horsepower, respectively. The driving range of IONIQ 5 is estimated to lie between 258 and 290 miles over a single charge of a large battery pack. The spacious and eco-friendly interior is equipped with a modernized dashboard and advanced voice recognition technology. Other features include pop-up footrests, a flat door, a head-up display, a reclining front seat, and a large cargo space. The price has not been revealed yet, but taking into consideration the price of KONA Electric, the estimated price of IONIQ 5 may be around $45,000. Kia EV6. Kia's first fully electric vehicle, Kia EV6, is the only electric vehicle equipped with a performance-oriented powertrain option. This crossover is built on the same platform as that of Hyundai IONIQ 5, i.e. Electric Global Modular Platform. The electric powertrain is capable of generating a power output between 170 and 576 horsepower. The 800-volt battery architecture is combined with several electric motors to come up with 300 miles of driving range. Kia provided both rear or all-wheel drive configuration along with two battery sizes, i.e. 58 kWh and 77 kWh. Kia EV6 has a sleek exterior with assertive sheet metal and a tempting interior with modern niceties like a two-spoke steering wheel, a digitized dashboard, a flat floor, upscaled center console, and ample storage spaces. The starting price of its base variant may sit at $45,600. Porsche Macan EV. Porsche made a late but right entry into the EV world. It has announced its plan to work on the fully electric compact sports utility vehicle to debut nearly in 2022. The next generation Macan will feature a smoother front bumper and slim headlamps. The battery architecture is the same as that of Taycan EV in terms of voltage and charging capabilities. The Macan EV is built on the PPE platform, which is developed in cooperation with Audi. It can manage comfy rides on rough roads even if driving rashly. Porsche Macan came up in 4 versions with drivetrain options ranging between 248 and 434 horsepower. The standard all-wheel drive makes the vehicle speed swiftly on a variety of ride conditions. Porsche Macan has an upscale interior with high-quality material and a built-in screen to make the ride rewarding. The price may start at $52,000.
Genesis GV60. Genesis is going to add another electric model to its lineup by the year 2022 and will come alongside with the GV60 vehicle. Genesis said that it will use the same platform in GV60 as used in Kia EV6 and Hyundai IONIQ 5. It incorporates many styling elements similar to other Genesis models. The company has replaced the brand's trapezoidal grille design with a slimmer, low grille on the front bumper. The vehicle will be offered in 3 different powertrain options. The first one will be a rear wheel setup consisting of one 225 horsepower electric motor, the second being a 314 horsepower dual motor system attached with an all-wheel drive arrangement, and the third one will come with a standard all-wheel drive and 2 electric motors with a combined output of 429 horsepower. The classy interior bears a large monolithic touchscreen on the dashboard, which serves both as an infotainment system and a gauge cluster. Other novel tech includes a facial recognition system and biometric tech. The starting price of Genesis GV60 would be around $55,000.
Mercedes-Benz EQA. Mercedes-Benz EQA will be the company's first fully electric vehicle due to come up in 2022. It has a size of an A-Class and falls in the category of subcompact EVs. Its length is just about 4,463 millimeters or 175.7 inches. This shortest model will be available in 2 versions having front-wheel and all-wheel drive configurations. The all-electric powertrain is expected to produce 188 and 268 horsepower of output respectively. The 66.5 kWh battery packs are capable enough to produce an estimated driving range of 265 miles on a single charge. It can acquire a top speed of 99 miles per hour, but its sprint to 60 miles per hour is unimpressive. The floor of the car is slightly raised to pack the batteries under it. The roomy interior has 5 seats and copious cargo space. The MBUX infotainment and connectivity system offers a touchscreen, voice command controls, and steering wheel controls. It ensures full driver safety, featuring a full suite of driver assistance features. EQA is available in 3 trims, and the starting price may sit at $57,000. BMW iX3. The electric Chinese-built variant of the BMW X3 crossover will be built at the Shenyang plant as a part of the coalition of Brilliance Automotive and BMW. The battery capacity of the production version is 74 kilowatt-hours, postulating a driving range of fewer than 200 miles over a single charge. The Chinese iX3 vowed to have a 5th-generation electric drive unit, in which it has a single scalable unit incorporating a power control system, transmission, and electric motor. The automaker claims that the BMW iX3 is best suited for variable driving conditions on any type of road and can acquire a top speed of 112 miles per hour. The front blanked-off kidney grille distinguishes electric iX3 from other X3 models. Other specs include a panoramic glass roof, electrically opening boot lid, adjustable lumbar support, and a gesture control system for a better infotainment experience. The price of a Chinese-built BMW iX3 may start at $84,855.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out these videos shown on your screen right now.